Namaste, this is Shamya Gupta, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to improve your oxygen intake in the lying down position, in the prone position, which I'm sure you're aware of as we are all talking about it, and it does make sense. There is reason for that. When we lie down in the prone position, the placing of the pillows are put in such a way that it gives a very good massage to your ribs, to your intercostal muscles. Because of our desk-bound life for us, the frontal part of the lungs is kind of, squeezed, compressed, and we are not able to inhale and exhale completely. When we start using the pillows in a certain way, that gives a very good massage and traction to the lungs, the ribs, the intercostal muscles, and that improves your breathing capacity and the oxygen intake. And that's one of the reasons why it's being recommended and it's becoming popular. So in this video, I'm just, going to show you how can you position yourself and you can check the improvement in your breathing level. So if you have this, this tiny machine which checks your oxygen level, you can actually do that during the practice and you can see how it's improving. So the first one, you have to take 7, 8 or 6, 7 pillows at home. Whatever you have, the placing is very critical. We have Mrs. Asha Kuthare with us, and we are just going to do a testing of oxygen level on her in prone position. Usually when we check the oxygen level before the video, it was ranging between 95, 94, sometimes 96. So we are going to check how with the prone position we can improve the breathing pattern, the oxygen level, so that you don't have to rush to the hospital and you don't have to panic in this situation and you can control for yourself at home. Asha ji, what is your age? Aapki umr kya hai?
73.
Asha ji is 73, and I must tell you that for her age, she is really very healthy. She walks for 7 to 8 kilometers at home itself, She takes care of her food, her sleep pattern, and almost everything which is natural and healthy. So please do make sure you do that if you really want to be independent and healthy like Asha ji. So we are starting the prone position. The first thing what we are going to do, prone as the name indicates, it's a lying down position in which your face is facing down, your tummy is facing down. In that position, we are going to place the pillows in different way so that it gives a very good massage to your intercostal muscles, to your ribs, so that starts expanding out. You get a very gentle traction and your breathing pattern improves and the oxygen level improves. So the first pillow which I am going to use, this is a bolster, and this one we use very regularly in our yoga practice. If you don't have this, nothing to worry. You can use anything, any pillow, maybe 3, 4 pillows. The best part of using a bolster like this, see the density. The density is not very hard, it's not very soft. And because the density is kind of just perfect, it will give a very good traction to this area. So we are just, Asha ji is going to lie down on her tummy in prone position. She will be placing her chest something like this over here so that she can breathe, and that will give a very good massage to her chest. Just lie down. Okay. She is lying down in prone position on her tummy. Yeah. Place it chest slightly up so that you are comfortable. Comfortable?
Yes.
Yeah. She is pretty comfortable in this position. So in this position, we are going to take the oxygen again. See. So the first pillow which I have taken, this is a bolster. This we use a lot in yoga if you don't have a bolster. So what are we going to do? The first position, see, I'm lying down in this position. I have to place my ribs in a way so that it gives a good massage during my inhalation and exhalation. So I'm lying down in this position, see, in this way, see, in this way. Comfortable position. So the part of my chest and the part slightly below the chest is getting a very good massage. If I'm using the machine, if I use the machine over here, usually my oxygen level is around 99, so it won't show much. But so in this position, how do you have to breathe? So you can always put this one, stay there, you can stay here and see the deeper inhalation and exhalation. See. With each inhalation and exhalation, I'm pushing my ribs or the part of intercostal muscles on the bolster and releasing it. See. Now that was one position. You can also go in the same position, like this. See, this one. Deeper inhalation and exhalation. Don't engage your throat, otherwise that will create a strain. You can do the same thing sideways. So from here, see, I'm going to the left side this way. You can just lie down like this if you want, and you can do the same thing. Inhale and exhale, releasing the left side. I'm in the left side of the intercostal muscles and the rigid ribs, not rigid ribs, I mean the area of the ribs which can actually get some traction. See. This is my side breathing. Similarly, you can go with the other side, both the side, like one side at a time, and you can also put 2 pillows in the sides and bring your chest part of the abdominal area in the middle, see, this way. See, and lie down like this way. Very comfortable position, very comfortable. The breathing has to be deeper, that's the key point. This one. If you want, you can also put a pillow either below your knee, like this, see, like this, or below your ankle, like this. Aim is to make yourself comfortable as possible. Adjust. That is the key point so that you are comfortable. See. You have to assume a very comfortable position by placing the pillows accordingly, so that if you lie down flat on the floor, that the momentum which is happening with inhalation and exhalation will not happen. It won't have space. But all this pillows which is being placed down is giving you a lot of space to move around. You just have to practice this. You can practice for as long as 16 hours. Those who are pregnant, they are not supposed to do this. Anybody with major cardiac problem or any kind of problem in which they have been not advised to move or lie down in this position cannot do that. If you have venous thrombosis, you cannot do that. After heavy meal, you cannot perform it. So please take out some time. Do this once so that all the panic which is being caused today because of the COVID, because of the oxygen not being available in the hospital, you can actually sort it out to a greater extent over here only. Stay home, keep safe, keep healthy. Namaste.